Alright, so this is another horse of Captain Aristotle Hababag. I wonder how it feels to have a lot of money to buy these kinds of bikes. So this So this is a size small Colnago C64, black and silver in color. So this is running Bora Ultra 50mm carbon rims. Continental GP5000 tires, 28mm in width. And then for the group set, this bike runs with Campagnolo Super Record EPS, the 12-speed version. And for the pedals, the Garmin Vector 3 power meters. So you can see, this bike itself is so gorgeous. So for the cockpit, let's go up here. This is the Aero dynamic cockpit set of Colnago. It looks integrated, but it's not, so don't get deceived. So this is the levers of Super Record. Feels very great. And then that's it. And for the bottle cage, also Colnago. And then for the saddle, is going for Berk carbon saddle. Alright, so for the last part, again, let's do it the GCN way. The free hub sound check. That's something for an eargasm kinds of bikes. So